Yes, good afternoon, students. My name is Teacher Justin Ogwang. Today we are going to look at the introduction to physics. Now, these are the key learning outcomes. The learners should be able to define physics, state the branches of physics, and then lastly, state the application of physics. And we are going straight to the definition of physics. Physics is the branch of science that deals with the study of matter in relation to energy. Now, these are the branches of physics. The first one is mechanics. We also have light or optics, heat, electricity, magnetism, sound and waves, and the last one is modern physics. We are now going straight to application of physics. The first application is construction of bridges. The second one, further studies in engineering. And the last one, in our daily life, like lifting of weights using a pulley system.